Okay, so we start at the knee. Just hold your fingers there, wrap the belt around twice. 1, 2. Now, as you can see, the belt's double here on that side, it's double here. It's double on the back. So it's double around. Okay, now the top part of the black belt, or any colour belt, goes under. That's what you should get. Double, double. And see how nicely neat it looks, and it's nicely balanced. Just there. Now this top bit, which has come from under, goes over like that, and then the rubber goes through the hole there, and then you pull it, and it's a reef knot, and it's balanced. 1, 2, 3. That's how to tie a belt.